So, we have reached the fun part. In this tutorial we will create a 3D model of a building. We will use an architectural drawing as a basis. If you remember at the beginning, we mentioned that 3ds Max supports similar functions. I have already imported mine, and there are many free similar models on bibliocket.com that you can practice on. Today we will make only one floor, the others will remain for homework. To begin with, we create a line from the menu Create, Spline. For object type we mark line. From the toolbar we choose snapping tool so that it can be attached, or as we designers say, to snap for edge on the drawing. We click on the top and thus drag. Where we have a window or a door, we create two new points. I made a small mistake. In case it happens to you, press backspace and start again. The action is repeated for each door or window. When we are ready, we choose Extrude modifier. Let's say the floor is about 3 meters high. Then we press F3. We turn into poly. Select the polygon and delete the top and bottom. Again, we apply gray material so we can see better. Here we are, and what you see is our window. We want it to be about 80 centimeters from the ground. Instead of selecting each edge individually, we have several options. The first is to change the perspective. Hold Ctrl+R and select every edge. The second is to select one of the edges, press ring and then connect. To be more precise, we will place the window in the middle of the model. Select the snap tool again and temporarily put it at the bottom. It seems that it has disappeared, but it has not. In this case we go to Select and Move, press the right mouse button and change the setting of Z to 80 centimeters. We create another edge so that we can position the end of the window. Again select Ring Connect and change Z to 150 centimeters. With the polygon option we select our windows and delete. We also have a door here, so we select these two polygons and delete them. Currently, the outer wall is so to speak unrealistic, so we will add a shell modifier, which will be about 20 centimeters. As you can see, the angles are not right. To change this we choose Straighten Corners. Here are some minor defects, which we will fix by selecting the entire site and from polygon smoothing group select clear all. If this does not fix the problem, we will convert to editable poly again. We already have the first floor of the building. Of course, we can model the doors and windows, but we will show this in the next lesson, in which we will build a model of a cultural site, the Episcopal Basilica in Sandomierz.